G'day skate champions, and welcome to Transition Tuesday, Season 3, Episode 11. All of the tricks so far in the mini ramp trick list have been inside the transition or up on the coping, and have been predominantly around managing just your beginner tricks, learning your front side and back side tricks, how to enter the transition fakie, and come back in fakie as well. But today's trick is a little bit different. We're going to be learning the fly out, and we're going to learn this trick, or at least improve on it, at this transition here, this little one, and that one high up there. Boop, there it is. And I've got the cone just to measure a little bit of height. There it is. Let's get stuck in. All right, the trick that I believe you need is a good run up and a good platform to land on, so you get enough speed and momentum to sort of get as high as you need. But to tell you the truth, I'm actually really trash at this trick. As you can see here, I'm really struggling just to get any height. I'm really focusing on too much on trying to ollie out rather than just let the board kind of flow me out and staying with it. Put the traffic cone down, and yeah, just more evidence that I'm really struggling. And then I just really try to work on that, trying to fly with the board, staying above it. And yeah, I started to get a little bit, yeah, then I found a cordial bottle just to raise it up a tiny little bit, and I started to really sort of get that movement going, and then getting to land on the bolts and roll away, which was really good. But yeah, very pleased. Super sweaty because this is what I've been doing for like the last 20 minutes, and it's just taken it out of me. But now we're going to move up to this larger one. Last time I did this, there wasn't any coping. It was just like a straight up. So it'll be interesting to see if the coping helps or hinders me on this journey up onto the platform. I don't know if I'm going to get over anything today, but if I can just get up and roll away, I'll be really happy. Let's give it a go. Going to that high transition needed that speed, so the run up was a bit longer. Took me a little bit of time to get used to, I guess, the speed wobbles going a bit faster. Just manage that, then going into the transition. And while I've done this before, it was a little bit intimidating coming up to this this coping. I eventually got one, but rolled into the grass. I'll change the camera angle here just so you can see the platform that sort of curves to the right. And I decided my challenge here was to, rather than go for height and over something, was to get into the air and land with enough comfort and control to sort of put my heels down and then carve to my right. This proved to be more difficult than I thought it would be, and even though I got up a few times, I just couldn't actually change my direction after landing. And then I was overthinking a bit, and yeah, ruining all of my my setup, and yeah, it was kind of like just approaching it with a different mindset. But happy to say that I got a couple, and yeah, it just felt really good to be able to like know where the board was in the air, come down, know where my feet were in a line with it, and yeah, roll away pretty comfortably. There it is, the fly out. I neglected, unfortunately, but I'm really happy with the outcome today, getting over that that witch's hat, and yeah, controlling the larger fly out. Yeah, couldn't ask for much more. That's it. I'll see you legends next week. Remember to keep skating, keep having fun, of course, keep progressing, take it easy. My dad picks his bum to make the cordial that I like best.